A total safety management framework will be presented. It has been applied in the case of a major hazard plant producing pesticides. This work has been performed within Tosca, a European project within the context of the 7th Framework Programme. 14 partners from 7 different countries. The Tosca project, the Total Operations Management for Safety Critical Activities project, aims at developing innovative tools and techniques such as advanced 3D software, virtual reality, and innovative theoretical models. They may operate together in order to improve safety and enhance productivity, especially for SMEs in the process industry. The tool which will be presented is based on the idea of common operation picture, which means that various safety managers, safety, maintenance, operation, can share the same picture regarding safety. The key thematic areas are interactive training, communication, design, critical activities, operations, management of systems, and reporting and continuous monitoring. Tosca has been applied in a case study, which is the K&E agrochemicals. K&E produces agrochemicals for plant protection, herbicides, insecticides, fertilizer, but also seeds, cotton, corn, and cereals. It is located in the northern Greece, in the industrial area of Thessaloniki, 40,000 square meters and 90 workers in all plants. In the picture on your right, you can see the tank farm where the flammable substance called telon is stored. Risk assessment of the tank farm has been performed. The methodology for the quantification of risks from installations handling flammable substances such as telon can be distinguished into 3 major phases: assessment of plant damage dates and their frequency of occurrence, assessment of consequences of flammable substances release, and risk integration. The first step of a risk assessment is hazard source identification. HAZOP and master logic diagrams were applied to the storage tanks during all operational phases: loading, storage, and unloading. The following initiating events were identified: external fire, earthquake, corrosion, high level, containment bypass, low level, and leak from unloading pipe. Accident sequences or bow ties have been constructed for all initiating events, and the tool developed by INERIS has been used. This tool is a database with graphical interface. On your screen, you can see the bow tie for initiating event high level. High level may occur in tanks owing to miscalculation of volume during the filling operation. The barriers which can prevent fire in the telon area appear in the left-hand side of the graph of the filling protection system in the telon tanks, grounding system in the storage area, and fire protection during filling. In the right-hand side of the picture is the emergency response system, which protects in case a fire occurs. In the tool developed by INERIS, we can also draw fault trees, such as the fault tree constructed for overfilling protection. It is a classical fault tree, but with an additional capability to assign tasks to each basic event required for the safe operation or maintenance of the relevant equipment. For example, maintenance of the level alarm is a task which should be performed and scheduled in order to have a reliable and safe piece of equipment. The tool developed for the common operation picture is able to handle the following: accident sequences and fault trees, as we already saw in the previous slides, but also flowcharts. It can also handle lists with tasks required to perform, say, the safe operation of barriers, equipment, critical activities, plant organization phases, and organization data of the safety management system. In this slide, you can see a picture of the data stored and visualized for an operational phase or a critical activity. Here, data required for safe storage of the tanks is presented, such as protection system, procedures, restrictions. This innovative tool may provide help, especially for SMEs, in the following aspects. Includes parts of the management system necessary for plant safety, include risk analysis, support the risk model with a planning management system, daily activities, cross-checking between actions to do, actions done, and issues, incidents, or accidents with an appropriate of a dashboard, and safety plant monitoring. Within Tosca, a tool which can help to visualize installations has been developed by Reviatech called Revia Maps. Here is a general overview in 3D of the plant. Somewhere in the middle are the storage tanks with the orange circles which represent the risk. With Revia Maps you can go closer and visualize the installation and the risk areas. You can go in the installation and see several sections of the plant, and even closer and look at specific details. As you can see, you can view safety equipment of the plant. The Tosca web tool, which has been developed by NRIS, helps you organize your equipment and associated tasks. In this slide, you can see a list of various pieces of equipment in one functional group, the tank farm. By clicking on the pressure valve of the tank, you can see the various actions performed on this equipment. In this case, only ongoing activities, there are no pending activities, and also the history of the equipment, commissioning, decommissioning, and tests. You can also view in parallel two different windows, one with a picture of the equipment, and on the right one, the ongoing actions required for its performance and its history. To conclude, Tosca can facilitate the everyday plant management, including inspections and preventive and corrective maintenance actions. Risk and safety-related information can be incorporated into a database with graphical interface capabilities. Within Tosca, a risk knowledge management tool has been developed, which can be used for integrating risk management, maintenance activities, and daily operations. Thank you for your attention.